Aftersell. This is one of the most popular post-purchase upsell apps, which you can use to boost your store sales. This app does have a free plan, but it is only available for development stores. They also have some affordable paid plans too. You can choose any plan depending on how many orders you get in a month. And all of their plans comes up with a 30-day free trial, which means that there is no risk involved for you at all. Next, if you click on this View Demo Store button, it will take you to a demo store, where you can see all the features that this app has to offer. This app mainly offers these 4 features. For now, let's have a look at the checkout page features. To show you the features, I will simply click on this Add to Cart button. You can see that the product is added to the cart. And then you will see this product recommendation here, which is basically an upsell triggered by this app. There is also this shipping protection upsell here, which is also triggered by this app. So I will simply click on this checkout button now, which will take us to the checkout page. Here, you can see these icons with text blocks, which are made using this Aftersell app. Next, we have another upsell here, which is also triggered by this app. And you can also see this product review tab. And on the top, you can see this progress bar, which is of course made on this Aftersell app. So if you also want these features into your store, then make sure to install this app on your Shopify store. I also have a detailed step-by-step tutorial on this app, which will help you to further customize your store checkout using the Aftersell app. You can click here to watch that video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.